Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Abhilash Sharma, student of MTech Executive Batch AI. This assignment is about like creating three virtual machines using VMware and then showing the uh, data storage that can be shared among three of the virtual machines. So let us first look at the configuration. This is the VMware. 80 GB of hard disk is assigned and we have installed the VMware on it. It's VMware ESXi 7 and later is the name. Another 80 GB of hard disk we have reserved to create the three virtual machines and a 5 GB of storage to create a shared folder. Let us come to the storage. This is a shared storage. This has capacity of 5 GB, but for this one we have created it 4 GB and 603 MB we have kept as reserved so that we can see the expansion of the capacity. These virtual machines they are using the shared storage, virtual storage. We can see that 2 GB of the storage is using out of 4 that we have assigned. This is thick provisioned eagerly zeroed. We have created it on VM1 and then we have used that on VM2 and VM3. SCSI controller 1 we have created and use that in the use that as controller for this hard disk. Okay, let us go into the uh, system. This is X Ubuntu. As we can see, virtual shared disk is available here. What we did is like we had to mount it using the disk utility. In the disk utility, we have mounted this. This is the virtual storage that we created. We see that if we click on this virtual shared disk, okay, here here it comes. This is the file that we have stored on uh, on the virtual machine. This virtual machine VM1. This test is just a test for testing purpose, nothing else. If we try to so that is part A that we have covered. Part B says maximum how many number of VMs can share the shared virtual storage. Basically, the number of VMs that we can create on a ESS XI VMware, those many VMs can share this virtual storage. But the thing is, only one can be active. So while VM1 is running, if we try to power on VM2, it doesn't allow. It says like it has failed to lock the file. Reason is this is also sharing the same hard disk. So virtual machine 1 has put a lock on that hard disk. So I cannot actually start virtual machine 2 while VM1 is running. So we'll have to put it down. Let us put it down and start VM2. So we'll come back again. All right. Virtual machine 2 is up and running while VM1 is down. Here again, this is the same virtual shared disk. So if I click and open it, we can see the same file available here. Test.txt is also there. We cannot start VM3 again. Reason is the same. VM2 is running and they are both are sharing the same uh, virtual storage. So this again fails, but it is not giving me any message as of now. Let us shut it down, VM2, and then restart it again. We'll come back and see on VM3. Okay, our Windows server is up and running. We will see uh, the files here. So in order to mount that disk on the virtual disk, we go to computer management, then storage. We'll see the device, and it will prompt us to load that, to mount it, because I've already loaded, so it will not be seen now. We can see like this. I have named it virtual shared disk, and then the drive letter that I've given is Z. After doing that, if I go to File Explorer and check my computer, I can see there is a virtual shared disk. If I click on that, I see both the files, the PDF and the test file that I've created just for test purpose. So here we see like we can if we share a file, it is available in all the three virtual machines. There is no such limit, like how many devices or how many virtual machines can connect to a shared store. It is like there is only one which is running if there is anything which is shared between the virtual machines. Now we'll see the third part of the exercise, which is uh, can we scale up down the shared virtual storage at runtime? So at runtime means when any virtual machine is running. This is a machine running. We'll see with that if we can scale it up or down. So this was a shared storage that we were using. Expand, next. This is selected. Next, partition. This was 4.26. Let us try to do it 4918. Click next. Click on finish. So earlier it was 4 gigs. Now we are trying to make it 4.8 gigs. So it says like shared store successfully expanded. So at runtime, the storage can be expanded. It works well. So this shows like 4.75. This was earlier 4 gigs. This is now 4.75 gigs. The shared storage has increased. We'll see. So that's about Q2. Thank you so much.